Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn divisibility rules. Divisibility rules help you find if a number is completely divisible by another number without actually dividing it. First of all, we are going to discuss about divisibility rules by 2, 5 and 10. Look at this chart. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. One example is also given. For example, here 10, 22, 34, 46 and 58. In this all number, you can see the first number 10, the last digit is 0. If any number ends with 0, it means it is divisible by 2. Same way, if any number like 22 which ends with 2, 34 which ends with 4, 46 which ends with 6 and 58 which ends with the digit 8 are divisible by 2. So, if you want to know it is a small or very big number, whether it is divisible by 2 or not, then rule is very simple. Just check the last digit of that number. If any big number or small number, any number, if it is ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it means that number is divisible by 2. Now look at second number. All of you know about the multiplication table of 5, right? If you notice it carefully, you will know that every alternate numbers end with 0 or 5. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 which end with 0, 5 threes are 15, again 5, 5 fours are 20 which end with 0. So like that, if any numbers ends with 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. Will you remember this? Very simple. If any number ends with, that means the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, it means that number is divisible by 5. Third one, 10. If any numbers end with 0, that number is divisible by 10. Like 30, 40, 50, whatever. However the big number it is. If the number ends with 0, it means that number is divisible by 10. Now let us look at the second table, divisibility by 3 and 9. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. For example, 48 is divisible by 3. Why it is divisible by 3? First of all, 8, the digit in 48. In number 48, there are two digits. One is 4 and another is 8. 48, right? 4 and 8. So now first of all, add this two number. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Right? And we know that 3 4s are 12. That means 12 can be divided by 3 as 3 4s are 12. Right? The sum of digit in number 48 is 12, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, 48 is divisible by 3. Understood? Now, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Same as 3. Okay. Now look at the example, that is 63. In number 63, we have two digits. One is 6 and another is 3. And we know that 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And we know that 9 ones are 9. That means 9 can be divisible by 9, right? Therefore, the number 63 is divisible by 9. Got it? Now, let us solve exercise 3.1, question number B. So, in first question, we have to find out whether does numbers are divisible by 2, 5 or 10. Okay. So, first of all, we have to write the last digit of the number. So, let us underline the last digit in every number. Okay. So, in question number 1, the last digit is 2. And do you remember the divisibility rule of 2? If any number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2, right? So, this number ends with digit 2. It means it is divisible by 2. 5. In divisibility rule of 5, it should be end with 0 or 5. So, it is the last digit is 2. So, it is not divisible by 5. According to rule of 10, the last digit should be 0. But here we have 2. That means it is not divisible by 10. And next, the last digit is 6. We know that if any number ends with even number or 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is divisible by 2. Again 5. The last digit should be 0 or 5, but it is 6. Not divisible. 10. Last digit should be 0, but here it is 6. So no, it is not divisible by 10. In 45, the last digit is 5. So according to rule of 2, the number should be and with an even number, that is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 5 is not there, right? So it is not divisible by 2. The rule of 5, it should be and with 0 or 5. This is why 45 is divisible by 5. 10, the last digit should be 0. So it is not divisible by 10 also. Again 5. 5 is an odd number. It cannot be divisible by 2. Yes, it can be divisible by 5 as it should be the last digit. No, it's not divisible by 10. Now here last digit is 0. So if any number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is divisible by 2, right? So it is also divisible by 2. In case of 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5 also. In 10, the last digit should be 0. So it is also divisible by 10. Got it? Now we will look at second table. So here we have to find the sum of the digit. So here 1 plus 3 is equal to 3. So sum of digit is 3. Let us see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 3 ones are 3. Now look at 9. Can it divisible? 3 3s are 9. Right? So 12. Oh no. The sum of digit can be divisible by 9. And we cannot divide this 3 by 9. So it is not divisible by 9. So yes, 3 can be divisible. 3 can be divisible by 3. But 3 cannot divisible by 9. So cross. Okay. 3 cannot divided by 9 because 3 is smaller and 9 is bigger. We cannot divide it. Now 40. In 40, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Okay. 4 cannot be divided by 3, and it's also cannot be divided by 9. Now 126. 6, 7. So it is 9. And we know that 9 can be divided by 3 because 3 threes are 9. And it also can be divided by 9 because 9 ones are 9. So here 9 can be divisible by both 3 and 9. Now in next, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So same. Again 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. So we know that 27 can be divisible by 3 because 3 nines are 27. And again it can also divided by 9 because 9 threes are 27. So yes, taken both. Do you understand this? In case of any difficulty, please let me know, okay?